Today, we're going to talk about the hottest design trends of 2021. Welcome back to At Home with the Clockmaker Group. We all know that home design is something that's ever evolving. So I want to talk to you today about 5 trends that we're seeing for this year. Number 1, flexible spaces, multi-use. We've all seen a return to home offices, homeschooling, virtual learning, all these different things. Our houses are our gym. So now people are looking for homes that fit that bill or retrofitting their home to accommodate those changes. Another thing we're seeing this year is plenty of plants. So house plants are definitely in. They give that organic connection to nature that we all desire that can be so important in your home design so that you feel that connection with the outdoors and the organic materials. 2 plants especially that are trending. One would be the fiddle-leaf fig. That's been kind of the it plant for all the home bloggers for the last couple years. And then newer on the scene are olive trees. They're beautiful, they're organic, a little bit whimsical with the leaves. Check them out. Another thing that we are seeing is traditional with a twist. You guys have all seen these guys, right? Studio McGee. One of the things that people love about their look is that it mixes modern with traditional. They pull classics in along with some edgier pieces that give you this really cultivated, put together look that's really hot right now. Another thing we're seeing that goes along with that last one is a return to classic materials. We all know for the last few years, things like oak and gold and wallpaper and plaster, these have been things that we've kind of veered away from, but these things are back in a big way and they can make a major impact if you do any of these things and incorporate them into your design to look fashion forward for 2021. A final thing that we're seeing this year are color shifts. We all have seen so many interiors that are just blanketed with gray everything, gray and white. This year, we are seeing, along with that change in materials, we're also seeing a shift away from gray. Now, gray is not completely out. I'm not saying go and repaint every wall. What we are seeing are more colors coming in, especially jewel tones, some of these sort of deep colors, navies, things like that. And also, the neutral of choices would be, more of a taupey gray, so adding a little bit of brown in there, white and black. These are, some of the looks that we are seeing all over the place. So again, paint, something very easy to change and a great way to update your look for this decade. So there you have it, 5 trends that you can incorporate into your home for 2021. I know a lot of these were returns to classic materials, things like that. However, I want to assure you the 2020s are different than the years past. And these are ways that you can help your home to feel contemporary without being kind of overkill and overly trendy. So we would love to know in the comments below, which ones are your favorite? Which things are you hoping to incorporate, or maybe you've already incorporated? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We will be back next week with another episode of At Home with the Clockmaker Group.